Hi, this is Victoria Flame Voice. I came to the beach to pick up beautiful shells, and actually it's really hard to find it because they're all hidden in the trash. So how do you think the world will look like after the attitude from people? I used to live at the ocean right next to the beach for so many years, and I picked up just tons of trash. You have no idea how terrible the situation looks like. It's like in every step you can't see any shells. You can see just all this terrible garbage everywhere. Look at this. That's our nature that was created for us, and now you just destroy it. Where do you think your kids and their kids gonna swim? In a garbage can? Please, everyone who can't pick up the trash after yourself, who do these terrible things, stay away from the ocean, stay at your pool, stay at your gym, wherever, but love it. God created this beauty for us. It's unbelievable. And again, I picked up million bags of trash. I do it every time I go to the beach, but I just can't stay in the silence anymore. People, we need to change something or it's gonna be too late.